Yo, I'm here, guys. I'm here. I'm still here. I didn't quit. I didn't give up. I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what that means. But I'm back. I'm not back, but took my first trade in over a month. And part of it was because I was on vacation. I wanted to make like just like a vlog, like a mini like video to just update anybody that cares, or just like make a video just to talk about where I've been. But I don't have to do that now because making a trade recap. But yeah, part of it was I was on a 2 week vacation. I was in Cali, and so I planned on trading, but bro, market opened at 6:30 a.m. and my sleep schedule, everything was just I was just enjoying myself, and I was in the right space and right mindset to be trading. Um, so yeah, that was the reason why. I've been back. It's a little over 2 weeks now since I've been back home. And yeah, I just haven't been taking the trades. I've been waking up, looking at the chart, but nothing for me to take. But until today, let's just go over briefly what I took. I took a loss today, and we'll go over why I lost or why I think I lost. And yeah, but my draw on liquidity ended up getting hit, and so that's kind of like messing me up. So was the trade bad? Was my entry bad or what? Let me dive into it. So I bought a Top Step account like earlier this week, I think on Monday. And yeah, I'm going to be trading on this now. But let's go over the trade. So coming into today, NQ was looking, well, I had a bullish bias on both assets, but ES was very choppy. As you can see on the hourly, it just looks disgusting. So I probably shouldn't even have traded, but that's the thing I asked myself. It's like if NQ is the more like, I don't know, people tend to trade more. NQ is the more traded asset. When I see people take trades, they just use ES as a guide, seeing how ES moves. So does that mean if ES is being choppy, should I just completely avoid it on NQ as well? I'm still trying to like ask myself these questions and just try to learn anything. So I mean, yeah, ES was choppy, very choppy, and yeah, but NQ looked good. Took the trade on NQ. I wanted this 4 hour to get hit. I was fixated on that draw on liquidity, but I think I lost this trade because I have a problem with trading inside of gaps, high time frame gaps. So as you can see, we were still in this hourly gap, and I didn't really care because we had this 4 hour draw, 4 hour fair value gap that I wanted to target. So yeah, and based on the entry, my entry was just based on some sort of retracement, and I wanted to see a clean reaction out of it. So this line, we tapped into this, um, getting them, getting this manipulation leg. We tapped this 15-minute gap. We got a 1 minute clean inverse, and I entered. I was gonna put my break even right here, or I was gonna go break even if price hit this point. And yeah, my stop was a little below this line because I had room to risk extra because this was like 470, risking 500 today. But yeah, just get stop rated and price hits my target. So I just right now I really don't know what I'm looking for. Not I don't know what I'm looking for, but I'm trying to transition myself into a more discretional and not trying to like take the same setup per se every time, like not trying to wait for the exact confluence. I need this checklist to enter. I'm just trying to use my own like discretion and what makes sense, what I feel confident in. And I did feel confident in this trade, other than the fact that we are inside that 1 hour gap. But I really just need to do more back testing. But I've been back testing a lot, like last month, the start of this month, and even a little bit of May. Well, really most of June. like a lot in June, and I'm just trying to like do trial and error. What works for me, what doesn't. Like, what's the trade frequency when I trade a certain way than the other, and it's just like I'm really just I'm trying to see what works for me, man. And these back testing sessions that I have, they're rough because I do take some bullshit trades, not gonna lie, but it's just out of frustration because the trades I do feel actually confident and I feel they're really good trades, they just end up like failing right away. It's just like I don't even know what to do anymore. So yeah, that's how that's been going. But I just really need to collect more data and find what really works for me. How many times I want to trade, what I'm okay like with risking, like what's the RR on those trades, average on average, and just seeing what I can do to be the best trader I can be. And this is giving me purpose, like just constantly every day trying to get better. And yeah, I mean, it's not really doing well right now. It's not been doing well for like really this whole year, which is, I mean, we're 7 months in. We just finished 7 months in the year, and I feel like I wouldn't say declining, but I don't feel like I'm getting anywhere, like making any meaningful progress. So, but I know with this skill, it like things can just change like that. And I'm not like hoping that it happens because that's not the mindset you want. You want to like be, you want to have a mindset of like you've already have it or you know you will, like having that belief in yourself. And so yeah, I've just been outside of trading, I've been elevating my life in all aspects, like getting right with the gym, like I'm really locked in right now, eating just clean, just I feel great. I don't know if you can tell from like how I'm talking right now, but like I'm in a good mood, feel good. I've been running, like that shit sucks. Running sucks, but you feel good when you do it, and you feel good after the fact that you actually got up and you ran, because that shit's hard. Like I feel like quitting after zero point 0.3 miles. Like this morning I ran what 2.5 miles, and that's the longest I've ever ran too. Like I've been just slowly progressing. Like started off on 1 mile one morning, the next 1.5, and then the 2 miles, and now yeah, I've been trying to just get in the best shape of my life, get my mental right. Just every day's a blessing, truly. Like I am excited just to every day just to get better some way somehow. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna leave the video on. I'm not gonna quit. This is giving me purpose. Trading is it's like the hardest, if one of the hardest, if not the hardest thing I've ever had to do in my life in trying to master this skill. And so yeah, I'm gonna keep working, believe in myself that I can actually do this. I've already made it. You know what you need to do. It's only a matter of time. And I've said this to myself so many times, but it's what you got to do and take action. So, God bless to everyone, anybody that's watching this. You know what you need to do, Tristan. Talking to myself now. So, get it done.